Basketball isn't a game. It's an art form. You master the fundamentals so you can forget them. So you can improvise and just concentrate on what really matters. Getting buckets. Hey, brother.
Well, look what the wind blew in.
It's good to see you, Lights. You're looking good. Staying in shape.
Oh, yeah, you know me, but I was wondering when you was gonna stop by here.
Well, I'm kind of sort of putting the team back together.
Ooh.
And we need you.
That's music to my ears.
Hey, Lights. How you doing, baby?
Well, look who's here, Betty Lou.
Oh, Andrew. Handsome as ever.
Thank you, Betty. Looking good yourself.
He ain't going with you.
And why is that?
Why is that? You play here now. Plus, you just got your other hip replaced. Don't you remember?
Yeah, I did that.
Can't go out balling no more, baby.
I understand, Betty Lou. I understand.
All right, now. You guys talk amongst yourselves. If you need me, I'll be over in the back.
It's good to see you, Betty.
You too, sugar.
Soul of music, the soul of basketball. It's one and the same, Lights. You know that.
Hey, Drew, I'm not too sure about this.
The magic will come back, Lights.
I don't know if I still got it.
You just gotta believe. I gotta go park the car. I want you to go out there and just get your rhythm back.
All right, I'll see you in a minute.
Take it.
All right.
Oh, come on, y'all. Next game, who's next? Hey, Pops, how about you? Hey, who next? You?
I'll go. I'm ready. Ball in, son. Here we go. Watch this. Still rusty.
See Lights out here struggling. He's not believing.
Backboard. Get back.
I'm gonna turn him into a believer. Come on, Lights, let me show you. Let's go. All right, ball in. Don't reach him, Will. Show these young bloods what you got.
Okay.
Come on, Lights, play that music. That's good.
Watch the ball now. You ready?
Knock down. Outlet.
Are you left, Drew? Are you left?
Dunk down. Come on.
Been a while since I've been up that high.
I'm just getting started, baby.
Yeah, watch this move right here.
Do it like the old times. The magic. Show them the magic. Oh no. Lights, give it to me.
Yeah. We back, baby. We back.
Lights, get over here!
What's that now?
I see you out here running around. I told you not to get out here.
Better listen to what the old lady said.
Oh, lady.
Don't listen to Betty.
Oh, no.
Look out, fellas. Y'all gonna be sorry now.
Check up, fool.
That's her spot.
Bank's open on a Sunday.
Go it, Lights.
Okay, between your legs. She ain't gonna miss from there.
Do it, Drew. Oh, my goodness.
See me. Namaste.
These young bloods weren't ready today. Weren't ready.
Come on, young blood.
Dunk it, Betty. Dunk it.
it to me.
Y'all see that? Praise it. She still got it. I got one more question for you, because that was fun.
All right,
Who you gonna pick up next?
going to get the big man. We need him.
I don't think they ready for that.
No, baby.
They weren't ready today.
Uncle Drew 3, take 1.
Lights, camera, action. That old man magic. Old man magic. Oh, baby.
I feel so beautiful.
Till next time, young bloods.